Intelligence is the ability to absorb information, retain it, analyze it, and solve problems. It is primarily associated with the intellect, knowledge. Reading books, listening to others, and learning through experience are all part of intelligence. Skill. Learning how to perform tasks, for example, solving math problems, using a computer, repairing a machine. Analysis. The ability to break down a problem into parts and understand it. Memory. The capacity to retain and recall learned information. Intelligence is like a tool. It can be used for good or bad. A clever person may use their intelligence to benefit society or for selfish purposes, even to deceive others. Examples. A student scoring high marks in exams, a scientist discovering something new, a thief executing a smart theft. All are examples of intelligence. Here, morality isn't the focus, only the ability is. Limitation. Intelligence doesn't guide you on what is right or wrong. It lacks direction in terms of ethics or values. Wisdom is the ability to use intelligence in the right way, at the right time, in the right place. It includes the power of discernment, to know what is right and wrong, what is dharma and adharma, what is necessary and what is not. Explanation. Discernment. The core of wisdom. The ability to clearly see the difference between two things. Ethics. Wisdom is always tied to morality and righteousness. It considers what brings good to oneself and others. Foresight. The ability to foresee the consequences of one's actions. Control. Knowing when to speak and when to stay silent. Not flaunting intelligence unnecessarily. If intelligence answers how to do it, wisdom asks, should it be done or not? Examples. Even if one has the power to defeat an enemy, intelligence, realizing that forgiving them would bring greater good, is wisdom. Knowing ways to earn a lot of money, intelligence, yet choosing the righteous path is wisdom. A judge analyzing evidence, intelligence, and delivering a just verdict aligned with dharma is wisdom. Limitation. Though a higher quality, wisdom still functions within the realm of the mind and intellect. It is not beyond dualities like good, bad, self, others. Prajna, or higher consciousness, is, well, a state that goes beyond both intelligence and wisdom. It doesn't just involve the intellect, but actually touches the soul. It's the capacity to perceive truth exactly as it is, without any filters at all. Intuition is knowledge that transcends logic. It's the ability to grasp truth without any reasoning. Non-dual awareness is the realization that you, I, and the universe are one. In this state, dualities like good and bad, or gain and loss, just fade away. Steadfast wisdom, or sthita prajna, is a state of unshaken calmness, whether there's joy or sorrow, success or failure. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna describes this as the nature of a sthita prajna, someone who is truly rooted in higher awareness. Self-realization means knowing the answer to the question, who am I? It's about understanding one's true nature. Prajna isn't really something you can just learn. It's meant to be experienced through spiritual practices like meditation or selfless action. It's considered the highest form of knowledge. For example, the enlightenment of Gautama Buddha under the Bodhi tree, or the self-realization of sages like Ramana Maharshi. These are examples of prajna. They were able to perceive the fundamental reality of the universe. So let's talk about a comparison and an analogy. These three states can be understood beautifully through a metaphor. Intelligence, or aspect intelligence in Telugu, is like a powerful car with speed, a strong engine, and advanced technology. Wisdom, or vivekamu, is like a skilled driver who knows when to speed up, slow down, and follow the rules for a safe journey. Higher consciousness, or prajna, is knowing the purpose and meaning of the journey itself. Where am I from? Where am I going? And why? The nature of these states is like this: intellectual, ethical, and discerning, and then spiritual and experiential. Their goals are different too: solving problems, making the right decisions, and ultimately realizing truth and attaining liberation. In conclusion, intelligence is like a foundation. Nothing can really be done without it. Wisdom is like the beautiful and strong building that's constructed on top of that foundation. Prajna is the soul living in that building, the one who has realized the full truth of its existence. To lead a complete and meaningful life, all three levels, intelligence, wisdom, and prajna, are absolutely essential.